Let me show you how to resend an invitation to a user or someone that you've invited on 1Password. If you send an invitation and the person didn't get it or it expired or whatever the case may be, and you want to resend an invitation, you can quickly do that by finding the people or finding the invitations that you have. So on the people, you'll be able to find those active persons that you have. And on the invitation, if someone didn't accept it, you'll be able to see the users who didn't accept from here. And you can even invite more people right here as well. So what you do is here it shows waiting to be confirmed. And you will also have the option right here that says pending invitation. Here you can quickly resend the invitation as you can see, and it shows that it resends. Now here you can see it says it expires 2026-0102 at 2:35 p.m. And so the invitations will expire after 5 days if the person don't actually accept. And he says that you can resend an invitation at any time. And so that's basically what's going to happen if the person don't accept it. But that's it. That's how you resend an invitation to someone on 1Password.